Have you ever seen someone walk into a room and suddenly the whole place feels different? They don't shout. They don't show off. They don't even say a word. Yet everyone respects them instantly. Want to know how they do it? It all comes down to 6 tiny habits that completely transform how people see you, even if you barely speak. You know what's wild? There was a time when nobody noticed me. People would walk right past me like I didn't even exist, at school, at work, everywhere. But then I changed just a few small things, 6 simple habits, and suddenly everything flipped. People listened. People respected me. People took me seriously. And the best part? You can start doing the exact same thing today. Let's go through these 6 habits, short, powerful, and life-changing. 1. Stand like a winner. Most people stand like they're shrinking, shoulders down, neck forward, small posture. But confident people take up space. They stand tall, shoulders slightly back, head up, relaxed but strong. This one shift sends a message before you even speak. I matter. I belong here. Try this once, and you'll feel the difference instantly. 2. Slow your movements. Fast, restless movements make you look anxious and unsure. But respected people move slowly. They walk calmly, sit calmly, and talk with control. When you slow your body, you slow your mind. And when you look calm, people assume you're confident and in control. In chaotic rooms, the calmest person becomes the leader without trying. 3. The 3-second eye contact rule. Eye contact is confidence, but too much becomes creepy. Here's the perfect balance. Look at someone for 3 seconds, look away for 1 second, then look back. Natural. Balanced. Powerful. This makes people feel heard and respected, and in return, they respect you. 4. Listen like a pro. Most people don't listen, they're just waiting for their turn to talk. But respected people do the opposite. They listen deeply. They nod. They ask small follow-up questions. They make the other person feel important. And trust me, when you make someone feel important, they treat you like someone worth respecting. 5. Use the silence weapon. This is where most people fail. When there's drama, noise, or arguments, everyone starts talking. But powerful people? They stay quiet. They observe. They wait. And when they finally speak, everyone goes silent. Silence makes your words heavier. Silence creates presence. Silence wins respect without effort. 6. The micro smile. Not a big cheesy smile, that makes you look unsure. Just a small, controlled, confident smile. It shows calmness, self-security, and emotional control. People instantly feel comfortable around you, and they trust you faster. Respect follows naturally. These 6 habits work, but here's the truth. Respect starts from inside you. When you stand tall, you respect your body. When you slow down, you respect your time. When you make eye contact, you respect your worth. When you listen, you respect others. When you use silence, you respect your words. When you micro-smile, you respect your emotional power. People don't respect who you pretend to be. They respect who you believe you are. Direct hit your challenge. Pick just one of these 6 habits. Start using it today. Practice it for 1 week. Then watch how people suddenly treat you differently. Because they will.